My name is Calista Turner. I'm the interpretive ranger here, and I'm being helped with my wonderful assistant Kate, who works in special events. Thank you, Kate, for helping. Today I'm going to show you the things that you need to do in order to prep to go on a hike. I'm going to go to the Lone Oak, which is kind of a long hike, and in order to do that I need to make sure that before I even get on the trail that I have some of the really important things covered. First thing I want to do is take a look at my boots. Now I have to apologize because I took my boots to the cobbler. This is my backup pair, and with all the closures, haven't been able to get my real ones back. But if you look at the bottom, look at how much grip I have. This is so much more than a sneaker. Now there's going to be a lot of steep, and I'm going to need that grip. Now you'll notice that my boots also have these eyelets on the side. And I'm going to show you the best way that I've found to lace up your boots. So first thing, of course I have to put it on, right? Now, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to tighten even the base, because that thing that's going to cause those horrible blisters, that is your foot wiggling around. And you want to make sure that these ones are tight as well. Now you want to make them tight, but you don't want to cut off circulation. So, I'm going to go around the first eyelets, cross, go around the second eyelets, cross, go around these ones. Now, getting to the point where I need to tie. And I want to give a big shout out to my friend Zai, who showed me how to tie my boots so that they don't wiggle or loosen or untie in the middle of a hike. First thing you're going to do, cross these over. Second thing you're going to do, just like regular tying your shoes, you're going to loop it around. Next thing, this is going to make it the surgeon's knot. Loop it around once more. That's your surgeon's knot right there. You're going to tighten it down. Now this knot is really amazing because this thing right here is never going to untie when you're midway through your hiking. Then you're just going to make your regular bunny ears. Just like that. Tighten it down again. Make sure to bring these ones up so that you're not going to be hiking on them and walking all over. Go through your bunny ears again, and then we're done. So that is your wonderful surgeon's knot and how to tie your shoes before you even get on the trail. So hopefully that's going to help you in your future hikes. So that's tip number 1. I'll follow them up with even more. Thanks.